In a world where our words and actions can make or break our relationships, being able to communicate effectively is of utmost importance, but for many of us, it is easier said than done. If you want to enhance your communication skills, just follow these 6 simple steps and you can make your communication skills better. So first of all, we have 7, 38, and 55% rule by Albert Mehrabian. According to this rule, your words account for only 7% of the whole communication. Yes, you heard it right. And the whopping 93% is your tone of voice and your body language, your non-verbal cues. So let's break it down. 38% of what you're communicating is through your tone of voice. Yes, your voice can be as good and engaging as a walk on the moon, or as dull and boring as a history lecture. So start practicing your tone of voice. Make sure your tone of voice sounds good, understandable, and engaging. And what about the remaining 55%? Well, that's all about your body language, the non-verbal cues you send with your expressions and body movements. Just imagine your body is like a billboard. It's advertising what you are really thinking and even feeling, even when you are not speaking. So make sure your body sends a good positive message, because it might be just the thing that seals the deal. If you want to win an argument or persuade someone, then start using ethos, pathos, and logos in your communications. Ethos means you have to be more credible. You have to be trustworthy. Using ethos can make the argument more authoritative and convincing. It also helps to overcome skepticism and objection. Then we have pathos. It means connecting with people emotionally. When we connect with people emotionally, we make our argument more impactful and memorable. Using pathos can also appeal people's beliefs, desires, and values. Then we have logos. It means providing a logical and well-reasoned case. It helps to persuade people by simply presenting them evidence and facts. It also helps to overcome objections and counter-arguments. Using the combination of ethos, pathos, and logos can make your argument more persuasive, memorable, and impactful, because it appeals people on different levels such as credibility, emotions, and logic. If you want to build trust and make your relationships healthy, start using active listening in your communication. Active listening is like a superpower. It enables you to understand and connect with others on a deeper level. It is like having a magic ear that allows you to truly grasp the meaning of what is being said. With active listening, you can build trust, gain insights, and resolve conflicts more effectively. It's a skill that requires focus, attention to detail, empathy, but the rewards are worth it. So why not embrace the power of active listening and start transforming your communication skills from today? Stop getting angry during communication, because it has several benefits. When communicating calmly without anger, it is easier to understand and be understood. It leads to healthy communication and fewer misunderstandings. It also makes your relationship healthy. Anger can also damage and erode the relationship, whereas calm and respectful communication can improve them. When people communicate without anger, they are also more likely to work together effectively, and there are more chances to have better outcomes. Anger can escalate conflicts and lead to confrontations, whereas avoiding anger can help you reduce your conflicts as well as it promotes peace. Then we have humor. Humor is like a secret weapon, always ready to add a spark of delight in any conversation. It's like a magical ingredient that can take your message from bland to brilliant in a matter of few seconds. With a good sense of humor, you can just lighten up the mood, reduce tension, build rapport, and it can also make your message more memorable and effective. And you know the best part about having a good sense of humor is that you can fit it to any situation. I mean, if you are talking to a bunch of people or you are having a one-on-one conversation. So why not give it a try? It may just be the key to unlocking the full potential of your communication skills. Stop giving silent treatment to your parents, children, friends, siblings, or your partners. If you don't know what silent treatment is a form of psychological manipulation in which one person avoids speaking to or interacting with another, either as a means of punishment or to exert power over them. It is considered as a passive-aggressive behavior and it can have negative impacts on the relationship. Sometimes we think that the other person understands and knows each and everything, but we are not communicating with them, and it is a poor way of communication. If we think that the other person is hurting us or we are getting hurt by their act, instead of being quiet and giving them the silent treatment and expecting that they will know what we are feeling, we have to communicate with them. And communicating with them is a healthy way of communication. So avoid giving silent treatments.